First, to do that, you just unlock the mechanism right here, and this opens up the compartment. Right here is where you'll load in the battery, the connector for it. This is the engine right here. That's what spins around, and then you've got your pivot point here to turn left, right. All right, so loading it up, just slides right in. And then you've got your connector right here. Okay, and that snaps right in there. Okay, let's go ahead and close it up. You just do that by kind of putting it on a hinge here and then sealing it down and then locking it right up there. All right. So the actual racer doesn't have an on and off switch. It can figure out if it's on or off by if it's in the water. And so let's go ahead and turn on the controller here. High speed, so I shouldn't have any issue, but there is some water. This is a river, so the water is traveling to the right here. There we go, it's all paired up. Easy as that. Okay, we got the trim buttons here. I'm not gonna bother with that, I believe, and this one's turning. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit of a push because I got some rocks right here, so just wanna make sure I can get it up. All right, you can see that current right there. So let's go ahead and start her up. Okay, I got about 12% power here. Let's go ahead and take it up. Okay, now I'm all the way to the right, doing some circles, about 68% power. I do have a little bit of a reverse there. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and play around with it here. Yeah, and to do a sharp turn there is pretty simple. You just basically give it a quick look at this SkyTech race boat here. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to leave it in the comments. But otherwise, this is a pretty sweet boat. I did have driven this around once before already, and it does stay really sealed. The unit itself does stay really sealed, watertight. You get some drips in there, but it doesn't seem to hurt it all that much. I did also bang it up. You can see that there. I actually hit it on a rock on the other side of this river, but it actually, you can see, I don't know if you can